In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp account. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts or simply want to keep in touch with your audience, setting up a Mailchimp account is a great first step. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once there, you'll notice a button in the top right corner that says Sign up free. Click on that button. This will take you to a page where you'll need to provide some basic details to get started with your account creation. Next up, you'll need to enter your email address, a username, and a password for your new account. Make sure to choose a unique and secure password. It's important to use an email address that you have access to because in the next step, Mailchimp will send you a confirmation email. Also, keep in mind the username you decide on should be something you'll easily remember. Once you've filled in your email, username, and password, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Right after signing up, it's time to check your email inbox. Mailchimp will send you an activation link to verify your account. Open the email and click on the link. This step is crucial as it verifies your email address and activates your Mailchimp account, allowing you to proceed further. Once your email is verified and your account is activated, Mailchimp will guide you through choosing a plan. If you're just getting started or want to experiment without any initial cost, you can opt for the free plan. It's a great way to explore Mailchimp's features and see how they fit your needs without any commitment. After selecting your plan, you'll need to fill in more details about yourself. Enter your full name, your business name, and your website if you have one. This information helps Mailchimp tailor its services to suit your business needs. Don't forget to input your business address as well. This is a requirement for email marketing and will appear in the footer of your emails to comply with anti-spam laws. Finally, you'll have the option to customize some preferences to better align with your goals. These preferences will help Mailchimp suggest tools and features that are most relevant to you. Take your time to choose the options that best match what you're hoping to achieve with your email campaigns, and that's it. Just like that, you're all set up and ready to start using Mailchimp to engage with your audience. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Mailchimp account. Now you can explore all the features Mailchimp offers and start building your email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.